Take a ride in the 2019 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, cloth seats, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.